Have you ever seen American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever seen Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever seen the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever seen Lonnie from Garage, Flip, Garage, whatever? Have you ever seen the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever seen my boy Dave out of Kentucky? TP is what I call him, the Tesla picker. Well, I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, I just want to let y'all know I sold like 11 things today. It's all the small stuff. It's no really expensive stuff that I sold. But I sold 11 items, you know, and I'm glad.
Same sauce, you got a copy?
Hold on a minute, let me turn that down. I'm kind of okay with it. You know what I'm saying? I was like sell $1 million worth of stuff, you know, but I can't. You know, it's 11 items. It's money that I didn't have. But anyway, first thing up is the Spider-Man, this Marvel Game Boy Advance. It's like a light. You connect to your Game Boy Advance, and it lights up the screen. Yeah, I got about 6 of these. I bought these a long time ago. Y'all remember JCPenney outlet stores? You used to get good stuff out of there. That's where I got this from. But that was about 10, 15 years ago. I got about, probably about 3 or 4 of these left. I got some ones. I think I got 2. I think I got 1 more Spider-Man. I done sold about 3 of them. And I got like 3 ones. It's just like hockey players on there. It's not a Spider-Man. It's not no Marvel stuff. It's like a guy with a hockey stick. So, but anyway, I sold this for $19.99. $19. Okay. This is the second pop that I sold this week. Wonder Woman pop. You know, they sell them for $9 plus shipping. But you know, it's cool. $9 plus shipping. You know, I'll take that. You know, all I paid was $1 for it. So I'll take that all day. If you guys watch my videos, you know I like selling these handheld games. This one is this is the smallest one I got. It's a video poker game, and I sold it for $14.99 plus $2 shipping. I like selling these games. Every time I see them, they're $1. I just grab them. So they eventually sell, but I just grab them for my inventory. I sold some of these vintage lead and erasers. I had a guy send some back because he said the erasers wasn't no good in there, but they old. So sometimes the erasers, now I can't open them up and test them. These brand new. So he sent it back saying the erasers was cracked or was old, disintegrated, whatever. You know, these old as hell. So the eraser's not gonna stay good forever. So, but anyway, I just told him to keep them, whatever. And I refund them. Because it costs more to ship them back than it does to resell them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't paying number 50 cents for this quarter or something. But anyway, this sold for $9.99. Okay? And you know, you guys know I sell at least probably about 9 video games a week. You know what I'm saying? And I still haven't put a dent in my video games. But anyway, this is a new Raymond. Brand new, still sealed. I think this one was $19. I'll put it on the screen because I don't remember how much I sold these for. But I'll put it on the screen. I think this one was $19. Red. This is a PS3 game, brand new. I had these for a long time. This is a Red Dead revolver. This is used. Okay, I think I sold this for $14.99. It's used, but it's complete. All my games are complete, and the used ones are, you know, I've been having for a while. You know, some of these people out there, you know, come across these video game lots, like TP in Kentucky. He came across this video game lot that he bought from this guy that we buy those storage units. I wish I could find somebody like that. They pay $1,000 for all that stuff. You know, I got all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? I got all that. You all need to watch this video. He bought a whole, man, I want to say it was a whole lot of video games and video game systems from this one guy for $1,000. I wish I could have got a hold of that. But I got everything. I don't need to double it, but I still would have bought it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to get rid of what I got. And I sell like probably about 15 video games a week, and it still look like I didn't get rid of nothing. You know what I'm saying? That sucks when you got that many games. But anyway, I also sold the Just Dance Kids 2, brand new, Xbox 360, work with the Connects, brand new. I think I sold this for $14 too.
Come on.
Sold another one of these throttle controls. You need to watch my video.
Dearborn shipper service, buddy. Fine, thank you.
Well, I went to Walmart and I picked this. I mean, not Walmart. I think I got this from Lowe's. I picked it up for $2. I sell these for like $14, $16. I got one left, and somebody bought it today too. So I sold another one today. But anyway, that's the last one I got left. I've been selling these. I think I sold it for $14.99. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it on the screen though. You know what I'm saying? And I sold some more stuff, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 items right there. I sold 11 items, but I don't have the other items with me. But we're gonna go over what I picked up today from the thrift stores. I picked up a couple of board games and stuff like that. So I'm gonna click back on here in a minute, okay? Okay, I'm back, y'all. Look, today I picked up a couple more items. I was telling y'all about that before I left. I had to do something, and it's just some board games. This is the box is kind of big, but that's a deluxe scramble game. Look go to back. It swivels and stuff. It was made in 1977. I looked it up, and it's worth in between $39 and $59. I got to go through it to see if everything's here. I'm gonna try to get at least $49 for it. I'm gonna try to meet it in the middle. Try to get $49. But I paid $2 for this. $2 for this game. Deluxe Scramble, 1977. This phone right here, it's an internet phone. It's X Blue or whatever. It's an internet phone. Brand new in the box. I want to say I paid $4 for this. I'm not sure, but it's brand new in the box. Never been used. It's an internet telephone. The price on these, I think I paid $4 for it, but the price on this phone is probably between $29 and $30. You can look it up if you want to. People selling them as like four of them for like $100-something. All I got is one, so I'm gonna try to get at least $29 for this. This game right here, I paid $1 for it. See that dollar? I haven't really looked this up, but it was $1 and it was an older game, and I just picked it up for $1. I haven't really did no research on it, but I'll put it on the screen when I find out how much it sells for. I'm trying to look and see what year it is. It's got a barcode on it, so it's in the 80s, 90s. It's got a barcode. So it was $1. Look old. I'm gonna look it up and see what it's worth. I'll put it on the screen when I find out. And this one right here, I never seen it before. I Love Lucy trivia game. It's got a barcode too. It's by CBS, 1998. That's what this one is, 1998. So I'm gonna look this up too. Okay, I just want y'all to know that I bought these games for $1. So if I sell for $14.99, I'm still ahead. Okay, these not the only things I bought today, but I'm just showing you the basic ones. I haven't bought no tennis shoes in a long time, but I saw these Chucks right here. I saw these Chucks. And used, they sell for $29. I paid $4.50 for them. I think I'm going to get at least that for them. I'm going to put some shoestrings in them and clean them up a little bit and see how much I can get. Okay, y'all, this right here, I bought yesterday for $4. I didn't know what the hell it was. I just saw how old it was. See this? Okay. This is a property of the U.S. government. And it says Library of Congress, National Library Service for the Blind and Physical Handicap. I knew it had something to do with the blind because see these little cold things right here? Okay. These were selling between $2 and $2.50 on the internet. Probably some of them were selling for more than that if you had the box. I put on there for $151. It sold in like an hour. So I ain't even get a chance to test it yet. So I'm going to test it when I get home. But it sold for $151. Look out for this kind of stuff. I would have passed this up because it looked old. And I just looked at it and I saw these the little buttons that had a little blind people thing on it where you touch it, see what it is. So I looked it up and that's how much they were selling for. And I don't care. I paid $2 for this. So I paid $2 for it. So I'll take $149 profit. Well, not after fees, but at least $130, $120, whatever, after fees. But I don't care. I paid $2 for this. So I ain't gonna be greedy. I undercut everybody, and so am mine. You know? And sometime I talk to you guys about some of my prized possessions. You know, and y'all probably don't remember these old little football games, right? This one right here, this is the first one, right? This probably worth about $20. But this is the second one that came out. This is one of my other prized possessions that I might not say. This is the second one. This brand new in the pack. See that? Brand new in the pack. It's selling for between $99 and $140. So I'm debating whether to sell this or not. I want to keep it though because I've been having it for so long. I want to keep it. This is another one of my prized possessions. So every week I'm gonna try to show y'all some of my prized possessions that I'm.
Okay, let me go grab her. Okay.
Hold on. Some of my prized possessions that I'm on the like fence of selling. Every week I'm gonna try to show y'all an item. But this right here, just like that Kobe game, is one of my prized possessions that I really don't want to sell. But if the times get hard, I might. You know, it's selling for $99. I paid, I don't know how much these cost when they first came out, $9.99. That was like, what was this made? 2002? Probably in 2002 when I bought it. I'm not sure. But it's over 16 years old. That's how long I've been having this. So I'm thinking about keeping it. Okay, so, and then another one of my prized possessions, you all know I collect clocks. I mean, I don't collect clocks, but I sell clocks. This is a Hampton clock. See this clock? It's heavy as heck. This clock probably about $300 right here. But I ain't selling it. I'm keeping it. Now I should have showed y'all this next week. I'm sorry, I'm editing this out. I'm sorry about that. I'll show y'all that next week. I'll tell you what that's worth. Because I said every week I was going to show y'all one. You know what I'm saying? I'm tripping. But next week we'll talk about that clock. Okay. I'm finna pack some of this stuff up that I sold y'all while I'm at work. I'm going to pack some of this stuff up. And you all stay safe out there. Wear your mask. Don't worry about what nobody say. Wear that mask. Protect yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm old. I gotta protect myself. You know. Happy Father's Day to you guys out there. I got a new tractor for my Father's Day present. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for my lovely wife Dion and from the kids. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? I got a new tractor. You know, you guys don't know this, but I buy like used tractors and I fix them, and every year I gotta refix them, and when I cut the grass I gotta redo them over again. You know what I'm saying? So I guess my wife got tired of it and bought me a new tractor. For the past 4 or 5 weeks, I've been paying somebody to cut my grass, and you know I don't like that. My tractor's been down, and I ain't have time to fix them because I work so much. So they bought me a new tractor. I really appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all stay safe out there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like, give it a thumbs down. Thumbs down. Subscribe. Y'all subscribe out there. You know what I'm saying? And give me some advice. You know what I'm saying? Give me some. I don't like people that leave messages like I'm backwards and all. I like I told y'all, I'm spontaneous. I don't have no scripts. I don't have none of that. I just do what comes natural. You know what I'm saying? And I like to have fun. You know what I mean? So anyway, you guys take it easy. And I just want y'all to know that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.